How to Check In with Air China in 1 Minute Fast Guide 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this super quick video, I'll show you how to check in with Air China in under 1 minute, updated for 2025. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open the Air China website or app. Go to www.airchina.com or open the Air China mobile app. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Step 2. Click Online Check-in. On the homepage, tap or click Online Check-in. It's usually right at the top menu or under the Manage Booking section. Step 3. Enter your booking details. Now enter your booking reference number and last name exactly as it appears on your ticket. Step 4. Select your flight and seat. Choose the flight you want to check in for, then pick your preferred seat, window, aisle, or extra legroom if available. Step 5. Confirm and download your boarding pass. Review all the details, then hit Confirm to complete check-in. Download or save your mobile boarding pass or choose to receive it via email or SMS. And you're done. You're officially checked in with Air China, all in less than a minute. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick travel tips. Safe travels.